Welcome back, folks. I hope all of you are doing well. I'm your host, Suleiman Qureshi, with yet another productivity tip for you. Sometimes you really don't need to use functions, formulas to add, subtract values. You can use multiple functionalities in Excel to do it without the formula. So how you can do that? Let me show you on an Excel spreadsheet. On the left-hand side, there's a table, and let's assume you want to add a value of 5 to this table and each one of the cells over there. It's very simple. You just put 5 value in one cell, copy this, Control C, and then you select the cells where you want to add this value. There is a simple technique. You go on to the Home, Paste Special, or you can go directly to the Paste Special menu as well. There, you will press the Operations Add. This is one of the features in Excel that will add whatever you have copied on top of what is the value of the cell here. So note very carefully, like this is 64, this is 50, and after I press OK, this will be increased by 5. Here you go. This is 69, it's 55. So values have increased. Let's move on to another table on the right-hand side, which is amber color highlighted. In this value, let's assume that we want to include 10% of this. So we want to raise it by 10%, let's say. So I will simply write 1.1 here. I will copy this. I will perform the same activity. I will select the data. I will go to the Paste Special, and there is the menu. Now this time we are not going to add. However, we are going to multiply this. So after this multiplication, each one of these values will be raised by 10%. Let's press OK and let's see. Yes, it is. You can change the formatting as you desire, and your values have been changed. So without any use of a specific functionality or a formula, you can perform this kind of activities on your own, fellows. So please do give it a try, like it, and share this video with your friends if you really like this content. And don't forget to comment with your observations and any new videos you would like to see on a special or interesting topic. I look forward to speak to you again. Till then, ta-da. If you still didn't subscribe my channel, please do it. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get regularly notifications from my new videos.